So most of you have been asking me about how to market our books. So by the way, I'm author of 2 books. First is Broke to Freelancer and the other one is The Days of No Worries. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about how I market my books and how you can do it too to make it reach good heights and to make good sales. So our first thing is what I'm doing right now is content creation. Create content around it or create content around anything and promote your book in that. Okay, content creation, personal brand, never ending thing, like it's important and required at every step, even to promote your book, to promote your service, everything. Like personal brand is an essay. Second is book reviewers. There are people who have following and who create content around books, and you can send your book to them and they review your book, or they make a video around that, of course paid promotion, and in this way you can market your book. Third way is giving it to other creators and other people, other authors. For example, I'm a freelancer and have wrote book related to freelancing, that is Broke to Freelancer. I can send it to other people like Ishan Sharma or Tarun Speaks, and people who have the audience, targeting the audience my book is targeting, right? Freelancers. So send to them, they'll put up a Insta story. If it is paid, you can always expect a video out of them, and this is how you market your book. I have not personally did that, but it is very common and most of the people do that, and it's genuine also. Like if your content is good and you are doing a paid promotion, nothing wrong in that. Everybody market their book. Another thing is offline stores. This would be quite expensive, but if you are going with traditional publishing, you would get and they'll list your book and they'll send your book in offline stores. But if you are publishing through online mediums like Notion, like me, then you have to pay them extra for listing your book in offline stores, and they would charge on monthly basis or on days basis, and on those basis they'll charge you. However, this is again a good way to make handsome amount of money and to list your books and to get your book in the eyes of readers. Again, quite costly but will results in a good amount of sales, क्योंकि book वो सामने पड़ी है. Everybody who is getting into that store with that interest. और ऐसे novels ज़्यादा sell होती हैं, not freelancing or these books like that, but if it is a novel or any poetry book like my first one, The Days of No Worries, ऐसे book ज़्यादा sell होती हैं through offline stores and this thing. Another point is ads. Ads traditional way. You can market your books on ads like through Instagram, you can run ads on YouTube, target the audience who feel like would buy your book. Write a good copy, and of course you would be able to make handsome amount and you would be able to list things and you would be able to sell. Another thing is events. If you are in a big city, unlike me, I'm in a very small town of Punjab, but if you are in a big city, there are events, literary fest happening all around about books and all that stuff, where authors are coming and book readers are coming. You can go there, you can promote your book there, you can have a stall there, or you can, if your book is doing good, you can promote it around on the panel or anywhere like that. So events literally work like magical. Again, you would have to go through a lot, and if you are in a big city only, I guess then only it would be feasible for you. If you are in small town, traveling to a big towns जहाँ पे ये हो रहे हैं, that is quite difficult. यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की भी प्रॉब्लम आती है. देयर तो यू कैन टेक फ्लाइट्स, बट यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट वुड बी 6-7 hours away, so that is a challenge. And the other thing that I found out interesting is on my top mate call, when somebody booked call with me, he literally wanted to sell his books to school. He wanted to libraries, he wanted to go to schools, put one copy in the library and then influenced students. His book was around students and all those students, a fictional story book, and his target market was that. So he wanted to list himself in schools and then make students buy them, and he was very good. If schools buy my like 2 copies at least, and I am ready to go to schools. I'm ready to appoint a person who will go to schools. I'll self-publish them, and I would be able to make a handsome amount. So this is how you can market your book. Marketing is a science, and you require consistent efforts to sell your book, to market your book. But it's not like it's not impossible sort of things. You can always work, and it's always good also. Like marketing yields results, and marketing is required at every step. For example, me as a content creator, I'm also marketing myself. I'm marketing my book. So marketing is not bad, and of course you need proper marketing things. These are some of the highlights through which you can market your books. Rest is keep on working, listen to other videos about how to create a good marketing offer, how to market your book very well, how to run ads. These are the things you need to learn in detail, and you would need to search about more about events and all those happening. But it's crazy, it's wonderful. You just need to work and see. Marketing is effort. Marketing would get you so much of results. So just work and wait for the results. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing off.